This is the 275R Airflow Mid-Tower ATX case, which has modern styling and maximum airflow. It features a sleek and slatted front panel design, which allows cool air to be channeled to your PC's hottest components. The 275R includes three 120mm fans for powerful and efficient cooling right out of the box. With room for up to 6 120mm fans and multiple mounts for radiators up to 360mm, there's plenty of options and configurations to keep your PC running cool. There's also no shortage on storage, with two low-profile 2.5-inch drive mounts, two removable 2.5-inch drive brackets, and two drive trays that can each accommodate 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives. That's a total of 6 drives in your system. The 275R's intuitive routing channels and tie-downs make for simple and tidy cabling, which helps keep your build looking super clean. And to show off your amazing cable management skills and those shiny new components, the 275R comes with a tempered glass side panel. The 275R Airflow combines modern design with strong cooling performance. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.
Cooler Master has recently launched a new line of MasterBoxes, improving on every aspect that made the previous generation so amazing. Sitting at the top of this new series is the MB530P, packing premium features for those who love the look of addressable RGB and glass. This thing is a standalone showroom for your components, setting the glass stage for your beautiful build. 3 tempered glass panels make the component look great from any angle, especially when paired with the 3 included ARGB fans, and even the lead power button for good measure. Control of the lighting theme of your build is either done through the included controller, yes, it's included in the box, or straight from your motherboard if you're into having complete control. There is a partial seal print on the right tempered glass side panel that hides all the cable coming out from the power supply, and if you pair this feature with the use of the included metal cable cover, you can achieve a perfect cable routing without any effort. Cable management is always going to be on point, whether you hide it or you show it off with beautiful custom sleeved extensions. Inside the MB530P you'll find high-quality rubber grommets, foolproof zip tie points, and smartly placed openings to reach your motherboard and components easily. This case is also 100% water cooling ready, with 360mm radiator support in the front and 240mm support on top. For more information, you can find the link in the description.
Lian Li V3000 Plus Full Tower Multi-Mode PC Case. Motherboard Compatibility Axed. Case Type Full Tower. Color Black. Material Tempered Glass. Cooling Method Air. Item Weight 1 kg. Item Dimensions LXWXH 3.94 x 1.97 times 3.94 inches. Number of USB 3.0 ports 2. Hard disk form factor 3.5 inches. High quality tour. High quality processing. Premium.
Hi all, Thermaltake, and today we take a look at the Level 20 MT ARGB mid-tower chassis. With ARGB in the name, the Level 20 MT includes 3 120mm pure ARGB fans pre-installed in the front and connected to a custom controller. Installation of your PSU is done easily with the cables pre-connected when using a modular power supply, so we'll get this installed first. Now let's dive in and get the PC together. The Level 20 MT supports up to ATX form factor motherboards with mounting for mini ITX and micro ATX as well, and offers 7 expansion slots out the back. We add even more RGB with the Pure 12 ARGB sync fans, which are sold separately. So we can sync up all our fans to the case control or with select motherboards supporting 5-volt RGB LED headers. The Level 20 MT offers 3 placements for radiators up to 280 on the top, 360 in the front, and 280 vertically on the interior side. We'll be using the new Water 3.0 280 ARGB AIO, which is designed to connect all together with our ARGB family products with one simple cable connection. The MT supports up to 260mm long expansion cards like our GPU. Convenient cutout for the PSU cover allows clean routing for our GPU power cables. Now we'll connect our additional pure ARGB sync fans to the case controller and daisy chain the remaining fans we added, including the pump LED header from the AIO. Included with the MT accessories, the motherboard sync cable allows you to connect the controller to select 5V RGB LED ready motherboards. With a single slide, secure the tempered glass panel back on the case easily. Now it's time for the best part. Control your ARGB fans with a built-in RGB control button on the top I/O to select up to 8 different modes. You can also press down on the RGB button for 3 seconds to switch over to the motherboard to team up and sync. Use your PSU fan to its full potential with a ventilated PSU cover to pull additional heat from the GPU for even more airflow options, and a cool cutout for the PSU to show it off. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website at thermaltakeusa.com and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date for all the latest here from Thermaltake. I'm Thermal Mike, and we'll see you in the next video.
Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. Motherboard Compatibility Axed. Case Type Desktop. Color Black. Material Steel. Tempered Glass. Plastic. Cooling method air. Fan size 120mm. Item weight 8 kilograms. Item dimensions LXW XH17.83 x 9.06 times 18.35 inches. Number of USB 3.0 ports 2. Combining stylish tempered glass, customizable RGB lighting, innovative cable management, and concentrated airflow. Choose the 4000X RGB for a unique high-performance PC. Show off your components and RGB lighting with tempered glass side and front panels, built with dedicated front ventilation channels for ample airflow. The Corsair RapidRoute cable management system makes it simple and fast to build an immaculate, professional-looking system with major cables neatly routed through a single channel. With a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables, includes 3 Corsair 120mm airguide RGB fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Each fan is equipped with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs for brilliant, customizable lighting. Fully control and synchronize the RGB lighting for up to 6 fans with the included iCUE lighting node core and Corsair iCUE software.